All right, here we are at 736 Forest Glen Court here in Maitland, Florida, 32751. This is in Seminole County, Forest Brook community, which is super nice. You've got a cul-de-sac right here at the end, another beautiful magnolia tree, 2-car garage. This is a 4-bed, 2-bath, 1,647 square foot home. There is no HOA, and it is also in a flood zone X, which means it's outside the floodplain, so no flood insurance is required. So as you walk in, very open. You don't have any popcorn in here. You've got white shaker cabinets, stainless steel appliances. The stove does have a red light saying that it's on. Obviously it's not. So definitely gonna have to get that figured out. But it looks like you've got this black granite. And this opens up into your living space as well. So 2 living spaces split off the kitchen from here to the other side. Master bedroom's over here. The other 3 bedrooms are that way, and then we'll go outside of the pool. So towards your master. French doors out to your screened-in patio. Into your very large walk-in closet. This is the same flooring that I believe is out in the living room. Then you come in here to the kitchen, to the master bathroom. Huge garden tub. Looks to be a newer vanity, and then you've got kind of the opening over there into the shower. Back out into the living room, through the kitchen. We'll go here to the 3 bedrooms and the pool bath. So pool bath and bathroom for these rooms right here. So bedroom number 1 is carpet. You can see you got a little bit like the different flooring from carpet to the same flooring that they have down there too. Looks like they've updated both of these rooms. So here's bedroom number 3. And into bedroom number 4. And then into your guest bath as well as pool bath right here. And that obviously goes to the outside. And out this way into your patio. Again, nice, large, oversized patio. This looks to be the insulated foam roof that they tied into the roof when they did that in 2021. Pretty nice sized, large backyard. It comes all around. Obviously, that's a bunch of landscape. That can all be cleaned up. It's hard to see the pool surface. This is my 2nd or 3rd time here at this house. I do remember it needing potentially down the road a resurface, but you can't really see because of the surface. I can tell you the filter cover is missing on that. Potentially an older diving board that used to be there, but nice large backyard. Not a lot of trees overhanging the house other than this, which is your neighbor, and you've got that magnolia in the front.